A fillet between this circle here and this circle here, a couple of fillets. So I'll activate my fillet command, and the radius I'm just going to say is 10. And the next thing what I'd like to do is I'd like to delete those two lines because I don't need them anymore. The next thing I need to do is do a bit more trimming. And the next thing I need to do is I need to rotate that, array that around 5 times. Select that, modify, array, holder, and I want to pick the center of this circle here. It says 6, but I'm going to just leave it at 5, so it looks pretty much like the last one I did. Okay, I still need to do a bit more trimming, so I'll just select those parts here. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is I'm going to create a fillet between this circle and this circle. So I'll bring up my fillet command again, and I'm going to select the radius of 150. The same over this side. Okay, so that's basically my part created there. The next thing I want to do is I'll just get rid of that line. And the next thing I want to do is get rid of this as well. So I want this to look like a 3D part like this one here. And if I just angle this around here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a command called bpoly. And what this will do is it will figure out if there's a boundary. Now it'll basically change that boundary into a solid. I'll show you how it works now. I'll just say big points. Now I want to pick in here. So that's grand, that's done. The next thing I need to do is I'm going to put a fillet between these two circles. So I'll type in, I'll start activating my fillet command. I'm going to select the radius of 150. Well, we know what the problem is. They're all unions, so if I just type in explode, should be good to go now. Fillet. Yeah, grand. Next one. Grand. So I'm going to delete this. Don't need that anymore. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this around so you can see. I need to extrude these parts. First I need to use a command called bpoly. So we basically turn that into a region. So bpoly on the command line, pick the internal points. I want to pick that. That's fine. So when you can see it there, it's one piece. So if I go extrude now, I can select that, and then I can go up. I'm just going to say 20 mil. So next, same command, I can use extrude. Watch this. Recent input bpoly. So I wanted to select this, and you see it's selected it there. See the way it's dotted. I know it's good. So now I can do extrude, right click, recent input, extrude, select, and I'm going to bring this up around maybe 30. I want to go back to wireframe view because I need to extrude those circles. So right click, recent input, extrude, select those circles, and I want them to come up about there. So I'll just go back to the realistic. What I need to do, I need to subtract those 5 circles that are extruded away from this particular part, and the way to do that is to use a modify command, a solid editing one. So I'm going to select subtract. So select, it says here select object, so I'm going to select this. This is my main object, right? And I'll right click because I want to subtract those 5 items. So I'm going to window select them, and when I right click, bam, they're gone. So that's pretty much that command done. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to use bpoly here as well. Pick points, and I know that's good to go. And what I want to do now is extrude this. So we'll go up about, just say 50. Back to my visual styles wireframe. I want to extrude this one up as well. Now the height of this doesn't matter because guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to subtract this from this. So again, I'm going to bring up my subtract command. Again, I'll select this, right click, and I want to select left click this one and right click. And if I go back to my visual style, let's see, excuse me, visual style, if I go back to realistic, there we go. So that's how you create that part. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.